Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Jazz. If you're new here, I do videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and when I want to snatch this waist. So if that sounds like something that you are interested in, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. So you guys, today I'm doing a get ready with me, and this is my first, I think this is my first get ready with me, like full blown everything, hair, makeup, and outfit, and perfume. Like, yeah, I'm gonna let y'all know what I smell like too. So if that sounds like something that you are interested in and you want to see how I got this look, make sure you keep watching. Okay y'all, so as you can see, I know y'all like, damn! Yeah, okay, so this is how I normally look after I've like washed my hair and stuff. I normally just put it in braids because I don't be feeling like braiding it all the way back. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead, put it in a scrunchie, which I don't even know if I have right now, so I'm just gonna twist it up in the back. No, I found a scrunchie, so I'm just gonna take the scrunchie, pull it back in a ponytail, and then I'm gonna pull it up and put my stocking cap on because I am gonna be putting on a headband wig, you guys. So if you've seen my headband wig video before, you already know how that goes, so I'm gonna speed it up for you. I have already, like, my edges are a little done still from like a day ago, so I'm gonna just put a little bit of got to be glue on it. Well, not got to be glue, but yeah, got to be glue styling gel. I'm just gonna put a little bit on it because I don't want it to be like super crusty, and y'all know that stuff can be really crusty, and I'm not like the edge specialist or whatever, but I do what I can do when I can do it, okay? And as you can see, it's already starting to get a little crusty, and we don't want that, so I'm not gonna put no more on there. So we're gonna pull it down, and that side's fine to me because, like I said, I'm not really big into the baby hairs. This is the wig right here. It is from Unice Hair, Unice, whatever, however they say that. I'm gonna go ahead and take it and place it on. I'm gonna put it on, clip it in the front, and then pull it back down in the back. Make sure the clip is in the back. And then I'm just gonna adjust the strap. Okay. Make sure it is flat because I don't want y'all to be seeing my lumps, okay? And adjust my headband so it's cute or whatever. And it still has a little bit of curl. This wig holds curls really, really well. So I'm just gonna find like a couple pieces that I feel like need to be curled, and I'm just gonna curl it. So now I'm just gonna speed through this, y'all, because y'all know how to curl hair, I hope. And yeah. Okay, so I got my hair done, which didn't take long at all because, yeah, the girl's on a time crunch because I'm trying to get to this date night, okay? So we're done with the hair. We're going to move that out of the way, and we're going to get on to makeup. And y'all know I'm not a makeup artist. I'm not a professional, okay? I don't, you know, do other people's faces, nothing like that. So I'm just pretty much still a beginner. I already have my eyebrows done because, y'all, it take me a long time to do those, okay? I ain't even gonna lie to you. We ain't gonna fake in front on the situation, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and put on this milk primer, and this is like my favorite, you guys. I just started using this. I've seen people use it, and I was like, you know what, let me see what the hype is about. And y'all, I must say I love this stuff. Like, it is very sticky once you put it on. Like, it's super sticky, okay? But it keeps your makeup on all day, and it has your face looking flawless, like super duper flawless. I might not know a lot about makeup, but I do know that, okay? So next I'm going to take 2 different foundations because your girl is cheap, okay? And I need to get another foundation because it's summertime, or it's starting to become summertime, but I'm still a little on the white side, okay? So make sure this is dry. And I have the Lancome foundation in the color 320 BISW, and then I also have my MAC in NC40, and I'm just gonna mix it together, put a couple drops of each on my face. Wrong brush, girl. Put a couple drops of each, and I don't like to wear a lot of makeup, y'all. I don't know, like I'm just not into like a whole lot, but I'm gonna dab a couple pumps of the MAC. And then I'm gonna take a couple pumps of the Lancome because it's on a lighter tone. But I should have had something to hold my hair back, but we're gonna do what it do. So as you can see, it is a little bit on the lighter side. So I'm just gonna take that and blend it in. And it matches perfectly, as you can see. Your girl don't be knowing, but she be doing okay. Okay, y'all, so I got my makeup on, and as you can see, it matches perfectly, okay? The next thing that I'm going to do is take my concealer, and this is the 24-Hour Smooth Wear Concealer in the shade NC35. I'm just gonna take that, and I don't go crazy with concealer because I'm just weird like that. Like, I don't feel like I need a whole lot. So I'm just gonna take a little bit in the highlight areas. Take my beauty blender, and with this concealer you have to hurry up, and like blend this out because it is super duper matte and it dries like super duper fast, so you have to hurry up, okay? Rude. So I'm blending that out, and you can see it gives me like a little bit of a highlight to that area on my cheeks, my nose, my chin, and a little bit on my forehead. And then I'm going to take my Laura Mercier, however you say it, translucent powder, and I am going to put that in the areas where I just put that concealer. And I don't put that much because I'm already white as I don't know what, so I just want enough to set it so it don't go nowhere. Okay, so we got that on. So now your girl is fixing to do a little contour, and a lot of people do cream contours and then they do powder contours, but I don't do that because I'm just weird like that. So I'm just going to take a little bit of, and y'all, I normally have everything that I need, but your girl ain't got the contour that she needs, so guess what, I gotta go find her. So I'm just gonna brush that off because I don't want it to be on that long. Okay, and y'all, I feel so dumb because I went looking for my bronzer, and guess what, it was right in my face, so I feel like an idiot. So I'm taking my Kylie bronzer in the color Toasty because I don't really want much of a, who is that? FedEx. I don't want much of a contour, I just want a little. So I'm just taking that under my, like right by my jawbone. I'm only doing a little because I don't want a whole lot. Like, I'm not trying to be like super duper made up. This is just like date night and I feel like less is more sometimes. So yeah, we're gonna put that right there. I know I'm weird, y'all. Like, I'm weird the way I do things, but that's just how I do things, okay? Put a little bit up here to try to warm up this big ass forehead. Cause it's big, okay? I know I got a dome piece. All right, so I try to make it look as small as possible when I can, but sometimes that's a little hard. I'm just adding a little bit to it to just warm it up a little bit so it won't be so bright and noticeable. And then I'll take a little bit to my nose, contour my nose up a little bit. And I don't like a lot on my nose, but you can do all of this with just this one. Like, as you can see, like, my nose might look like it's a little bit smaller, but I know I got a nose too, okay? Snatch the nose a little bit, girl. But yeah, okay, period. Get a little bit down here so my face don't look so fat. Okay, and then next I take my blush. I heard somebody say you highlight before blush, but I do my blush first. I don't know why. I don't know if that's a rule, so if somebody know, let me know. Put a little bit of my blush on, and this is also from Kylie. This is called Close to Perfect, and it's one of my favorites. It's not really pink, but it's kind of like a dusty pink, because I don't be want to look too pink. Okay, got that on. And then next I'm going to take my Morphe fan brush, and I'm going to put on, I think I'm gonna do quartz today because I never do quartz. I always do Ice Me Out. And we're gonna put that right there. Come on, quartz. Show up for the girls, okay? A little bit right there. And on this side as well. Because I just want a little shine. I don't want a whole lot, but ooh, girl, that looked like a whole lot. A little bit on the tip of my nose, and a little bit down the center, just a little bit. But I'm gonna have to bleed this out because this over here, girl, I'm gonna be blinging on one side, okay? I don't think I really want that much. Cover it up a little bit with that blush, because I don't want to highlight that much. Okay, and then let's see what we gonna do next. We gonna do my eyes. I know people do their eyes first, but like I said, I'm in a rush, so your girl is like trying to hurry up because I don't want to be late. And I'm going to take my Tequila Tan, because I don't have any eyeshadow over here with me right now, and I don't feel like going to go find none, so we're just gonna use this bronzer. I'm just gonna darken my eyes up just a little bit, just to make it look like I got a little makeup on, okay? But yeah, this is like some fast getting ready, okay? Like super fast. It might not seem like it, but baby, this is fast, okay? For me anyway, because normally I'm like trying to make sure everything is right, but I ain't got time for that today. So we just gonna do what it do. Oh, don't poke myself in the eye, okay? And as you can see, it just makes my eyes just look a little bit darker. Because I'm not into doing all that like eye makeup. I think I'm gonna put a little bit of a darker color, and this is Tan and Gorgeous. And I think I'm just gonna put a little bit to just darken it up some. Okay, So now that I got that, then I'm also gonna take my little brush. This is a Morphe M507, and this is just to get the corners of my eye with that highlighter. If I can find what I did with it, y'all. Put a little bit right here, a little bit right here, there, then a little bit under my brow. And I didn't use concealer to shape my brows because I wasn't feeling it today, so we're gonna do that to that brow just to give it a little bit of a highlight. Okay, I'm gonna take this Crayon Case Bare lip pencil, line my lips. And y'all, my nose ring is like super full of makeup, so we're gonna get that off. Line my lips. Line my lips, line my lips. This is like my favorite combo right now, which is this and my Morphe, because I'm going for like a matte lip, Morphe Taunt. Okay, so that's that. And then I'm going to put my lashes on. I'm not going to bore y'all with putting my lashes on. So I'm going to put my lashes on and then I'll be back. Okay, so I got my lashes on, y'all. Hair is done. Now all I need to do is set my face. And I'm just going to use my NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. And I'm going to spray that. Woo, woo. Okay, so I got that together. Okay, so now all that leaves, as you can see, my face is done. Lips is popping. Okay, so now the only thing that I'm going to do now is go ahead and get my outfit together. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw that on because I know what I'm wearing, so I'm gonna show you guys what I have on as soon as I put my clothes on. Okay, as you guys can see, I'm all dressed and I'm ready to go. I did pick out this fragrance. It is called Glam Jasmine by Michael Kors. I'm gonna go ahead and spray that on. Okay, and don't mind my floor because it's all okay. So I am dressed, as you can see. I have on this jacket from Shein. I have on these pants from Fashion Nova, and they just have distressing right here on the knees. And then I also have on these Converse Run Star Hikes, which I just got, and I'm so in love. So you guys, this is my outfit. I hope you guys enjoyed this get ready with me. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, don't forget to what? Come back. Bye, y'all.